Hi, in this tutorial I will show you one simple method to sharpen your image in Inkscape. It is a really important effect when you are editing your photos and images, so let's watch how to do it. First, I recommend you to go to Selector tool and click on your image. And now I recommend you to copy and paste this image, so I will click Ctrl C and after that I click Ctrl V. And we have this image here. I recommend you to position this image on the right side of the previous image. So now when we will apply this method, you will see the effects here. Okay, so what you need to do now is go to the filters, and here you can see a lot of really important settings, but we are interested in to go to image effects because this is our image, and we need to go to sharpen. We need to open this option and now look on your both images. The sharpen effect is really good here and everything looks better than before. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel because it supports my work, and thanks you for watching.